Wake up to views of the Irish Sea straight from your pitch at our St David's club site. If you're looking for a campsite with incredible sea views, beautiful sunsets and great walks, our St David's campsite could be for you. Just a mile from the heritage coast, visitors to this attractive campsite can enjoy the area's historic buildings, beaches and plentiful wildlife. Magnificent sea views await campers at our St David's club site on Pembrokeshire's heritage coast. Our small campsite at St David's is found at the western edge of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. This coastal haven is home to pods of bottlenose dolphins, seals, several species of whales, and numerous seabirds. With so much breathtaking coastline, there are lots of water sports to be explored near to the campsite. Try surfing at the mile-long Whitesands Bay, or join the Pembrokeshire Coast Path near the campsite and enjoy fantastic coastal scenery and hidden coves. The Blue Lagoon is a popular spot for kayaking and coasteering. The blue-green waters of the lagoon itself are perfect for taking a dip. The famous Black Beach at Aberyddy is about a 20-minute walk from the campsite and is accessed from the path. The club site is surrounded by hills and ocean and incredible views. With a west-facing aspect, this is the perfect spot for sunsets. The city of St David's is 5 miles from the campsite. It is the smallest city in the UK with a population of less than 2,000 people. There are plenty of shops here, and the impressive cathedral is built from local stone and dates back to the 13th century. In recent years, the city has also become a popular artists' hub, with several art galleries well worth a visit. The Oriel Parc Gallery and Visitor Centre in St David's displays works of art from the National Museum of Wales. There is a weekly country market held in St David's every Thursday morning. And don't forget to complete your perfect day with a stunning sunset by the sea. There's so much to see and do in this rugged part of Wales. Why not book your pitch today?